there is something that I want to explain, and I need you all to understand very clearly, especially when it comes to trading, whether you are a beginner, whether you are an intermediate trader, right? I need you all to understand it. And when it really comes to trading, you don't really need to trade every day to become a very profitable trader. And a lot of us mix it up, right? We believe that we need to stare at the chart at every single day, at every single time. And if we keep on doing this, you are just giving away your money to the market, right? And the way the financial market is designed, this is a zero sum game. That's to show you that it gives and it takes, right? The same way you lose, and that's the same way you profit in this financial market. And to be profitable on this long run in this trading journey, right, you need to stay away from the chart in some kind of activities and some days, right? There are some times the market is going to be consolidating, whereby we have a choppy market, right? On this particular day, you are known to avoid the market if you only trade the trend setup, right? If you are a kind of person that trade trends breakout, right, you can focus. If you trade breakout in particular, you can focus on consolidation. But if you trade the trends, right, you should avoid consolidating market for all reasons, right? You are not supposed to be in any market that is consolidating. For those who understand, and for beginners that don't understand what consolidation means, it means whereby we have a choppy market, whereby there is a struggle between buyers and sellers in the financial market. That's what consolidation simply means. And when we have a trendy market, we have a market whereby the market moves up and then it has a slight retraction down, that it retraces back a little bit, and then the market keeps on moving on a particular direction. That's to show you that if you are trading in the financial market, focus on some trading days and focus on high setup. You are not supposed to be trading every single day if you know you want to be profitable in this financial market. I'll make sure I lay emphasis on this regularly on my channel, as I'll be dropping more and more videos so that it can better explain the right way for you to trade the financial market and to become a very profitable trader on the long run, right? For every one of us in the financial market, our single goal is to become financially free, right? We are seeking financial freedom, and here I'll be bringing all this to you also that you better understand all this when it comes to trading. This is Glory Capital, and here we trade with structure and not with emotion. I will bring in a lot of content to you all that will be very useful, and then it will help you to become and develop to become the best and best that you can in the financial market. I'll see you in the next video.